Once upon a time, there was a witch called Wendy. Now, Wendy comes from a big family of witches. In fact, pretty much all of the people she knows are witches.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it is true. My mum's a witch, and last time I checked, my sister was a witch. Oh, hang on a minute, my brother is a wizard, as is my dad. But my nanny's definitely a witch, and I've got loads of witch cousins.
Now, Wendy comes from a town in the very top of Scotland called Wibbleswick.
Oh, yes.
Wibbleswick is a town full of witches and wizards. What's it like up there?
Oh, Wibbleswick is beautiful. There's loads of big hills and mountains. It's a bit chilly, though.
Oh, can we be cold?
It is full of lovely witches and wizards who cast wonderful spells for very good people all over the world. Yeah.
Well, tell us what the good things are about being a witch.
Oh, well, I can ride around on my broomstick. I don't have it with me actually today. I'm on my bicycle today.
Anything else that's fun about being a witch?
Oh! Normally when I'm outside and I cast my magic powers, I can jump really high, but not in here because I will hit my head, won't I?
And what else?
Oh, also, I can wrap myself up in my invisible cloak and turn completely invisible.
Do it now.
Well, you'll find out soon enough why she can't do it. Now, Wendy should have had a brilliant life, but there was one problem. She was a very unfortunate witch because Wendy couldn't stop sneezing. Wendy sneezed all the time, and when she sneezed, she cast a terrible spell. And Wendy sneezed nearly all the time because she was allergic to everything. She was allergic to little fluffy animals. She sneezed when it rained. And she sneezed when she got excited. She sneezed all the time. Now, because of this, Wendy could never leave her house. She had to stay in all of the time. What was that like?
It was horrible. I couldn't go out and play with everybody like everyone else could. Pretty boring.
Oh, that's because she's a witch. That's not very nice, is it?
What happened next to the story?
Well, Wendy had only one friend in the whole world.
Yes.
Sam, the spider. No, Sam is very friendly. He's a wise old wizard spider. And he'd been with Wendy since she was a baby. He'd been sent to look after her and keep her out of trouble.
Hello.
Hi, Sam. How are you?
I'm very well today, thank you.
Now, on the 31st of October, it was Halloween, and the witches and wizards decided to have a big party. Oh, Wendy wanted to go more than anything in the world. So she decided to make herself invisible and sneak past her family to go to the party. Well, Sam scuttled along beside her all the way, trying to stop her from going. No, Wendy, come back! When she got to the party, it was in full swing. Everybody was dancing. What was the party
Oh,
like?
it was amazing. There was balloons, there was music, there was crazy disco lights, and everyone was dancing in the middle, like disco dancing. You can all get up and do the best disco dancing you can do. One arm in the air, and down again. All up in the air, then down again. Up and spin! Woo! And the other way, spin! Woo! And jump as high as you can! Woo! And touch the ground! Woo! And up as high as you can! And touch the ground! Woo!
Well, now Sam was very worried because he knew that if she got too excited, what was going to happen? Exactly, and she was going to cast a terrible spell. So he tried to run across the dance floor to get to her. Run, but it was too late. Wendy had done a massive sneeze. Oh. And when she sneezed, she cast a terrible spell. They looked around, and everybody had been turned into a statue. Can you stand still like a statue? Exactly. She turned everybody in Wibbleswick into a statue. Oh, Wendy was very, very scared. Or a statue. She got very upset and started to cry.
Wendy, you do have a choice. If you throw down your witch's cloak and give up your magic powers, good and bad, you can turn all of these people back into being people again.
So hang on a minute. If I give up all my magic powers, my cloak and my hat, then I can be normal and go to school and have friends.
Yeah, you can, but you won't have any powers. You won't be able to jump high, you won't be able to ride around on your broomstick, and you won't be able to be invisible anymore.
Not even be invisible.
No.
Oh, girls and boys, come and sit down. Come and sit down. You're not statues anymore. What am I going to do? Because I really like having magic powers. What should I do?
Use your spider. Use the spider.
What did you say?
Tell him to do it.
Listen to the spider.
To the spider and do it. And you might, if you listen to the spider, and you might come back into the witch again.
So he said that I should.
Yeah, and then you might come back into the witch again.
Does anyone here have friends?
Yeah.
Do you like
I have loads of friends.
All right.
This is my friend.
Okay. Girls and boys, listen up, because I made a decision. I think it looks really good fun to have friends, so I'm going to give up all my magic powers.
Wendy spun around on the spot and landed on her bottom. When she opened her eyes, she realised she was back at home. Everybody had turned from being statues into being people again. And from that day on, Wendy was a very, very popular young lady.
yes.
What's it like not having any powers?
Oh, do you know what, Matt? It's absolutely amazing. I don't care that I can't jump high or turn invisible, because I've got the best friends in the world. And we're doing something. I don't need to, because I've been cured. It's amazing having friends, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, so you're happy you made that decision?
Absolutely.
Very good. Now, if you listen really carefully, you can still hear Wendy singing her song to Sammy the Spider.
Sammy the spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Sammy out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Sammy the spider climbed up the spout again. Woo! Right, Sammy?
Yeah, very good.
Well done. Handshake to you.
Well done, you, Wendy.
And well done, girls and boys, for joining in with the disco dancing and being statues